Good afternoon, Ma'am and Sir. I am Hazel Villano from Santa Cruz, Ocampo, Camarines Sur, Philippines. I am 33 years old. I am a domestic helper from Saudi Arabia last 2017 to 2019. I am a finished contract to my first employer, and my second employer was in Hong Kong, in Soy Hung particularly. It was last 2020 to 2022. My duties is to keep the house clean and organized and help the kids to their school, making them lunch or meals, helping my employer do the things that needed to do, clean the house, iron the clothes, wash the clothes, prepare everything they needed, especially when they go to their work. I can also take care of a newborn baby. I also have a daughter, so I can say I love children. I am a hardworking person, trustworthy, and willing to do that needed my attention. I am also a diligent and God-fearing person. I am willing to learn everything that my employer asked me to do. So I hope you can consider me. Thank you.